welcome to week 11 of Babies and Books. So in case you haven't seen any of our videos before, it's about introducing books to your babies. We sing some songs and really just spending some lovely time with them and really spending some bonding time. So we start our sessions here with our name song. So we say hello. And if you'd like us to say hello to any of your little ones, if you just pop a comment down below. Okay. Hello, Emily. Hello, Emily. Hello, Emily. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Harvey. Hello, Harvey. Hello, Harvey. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Ada. Hello, Ada. Hello, Ada. It's nice to have you here. Hello, everybody. Hello. So we're still on our theme of animals and insects this week, and so we're going to introduce you to a couple of new songs and new little things, aren't we? So first of all, we're going to have our little beehives. This is our little beehive. And we'll repeat this a couple of times so you get to know it and you know what you're saying. So it goes, because we're doing numbers as well this week, and this is a little number song, and the other one we're singing is a number song too. So here is the beehive. But where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch them all come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll do that one again. Yeah. Here is the beehive. But where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch as they all come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's our little bees. I'm doing 3 little speckled frogs for a couple of weeks now, so we're going to stick with that one today as well. So we'll have our 3 little speckled frogs. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 green speckled frogs, glub, glub. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 green speckled frog, glub, glub. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no speckled frogs. Glub, glub. The glub, glub bit I like. I love that bit. So next we're going to introduce you to a new song. It's probably one you've come across before, and it's a counting song. So as they were doing about numbers this week. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Fantastic. So, we're going to be reading our book again this week, 1, 2, 3, Bumblebee. So as the title does suggest, although we've done the bilingual and we've done our yoga poses as well, it is essentially a number book. So we start off with One small snail. One small snail sits on the ground. Feel its shell curl round and round.
Ooh.
I'm going to do the next one,
Yeah. Croaking frog has two big eyes. Carefully they watch the flies.
I spy Buzzy Bumblebee. He has yellow stripes. There's three. 1, 2, 3.
Dragonfly has wings so bright. Count all 4 as she takes flight. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Little fish has 5 scales. Watch him swim and swish his tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6 black whiskers on cat's nose, sticking out in nice straight rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ladybird has spots in black. There are 7 on her back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Caterpillars' stripes are straight. Count the yellow ones, there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Owl's 9 feathers are so small. Ready? Can you count them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Here we go, from 1 to 10. Count the numbers and back again.
So we're going to count them in English and in Welsh for you. So we'll start with the English. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay!
And the other thing we thought we'd do today is show you the Makaton signs for the animals and insects in the book. So Liz is going to show you the pictures and I'll do the signs. So we start off with
snail, frog,
oh, frog, frog, oh, bee,
bee, bee, dragonfly, dragonfly, fish, fish, cat, cat, ladybird, ladybird, caterpillar, caterpillar, owl, owl, star, star.
So we thought we'd sing Twinkle Twinkle as well now as we've got our little star there. So, ready?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Oh. So that's been really lovely. And was going to introduce you today to our next free book that you'll be able to pick up at your local Aura library. They are of limited availability, but we've got them at Buckley, Broughton, Connors Quay, Holywell, Flint, Mould, and the mobile library as well. So if you just ask for your Books and Babies book, they will be able to give you one of these. So we'll be, it's a bit about physical play, there's some water play, and we'll just be having lots of fun. And hopefully soon you'll be able to come in and we'll do some activities with this book as well. We hope to see you soon, and virtually as well. I'll be doing another Zoom session on the 14th of May. Okay, we'll see you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye. Feel bad.